I bet that ship I saw belongs to the pirates who've stolen Elaine. It's a big, steaming cup of joe. 2 eggs over easy. Thick, fatty sausage patties. It's a stack of big, fluffy pancakes. Maple. It's the remains of a member of the Plunder Island Naturalist Society. Those guys sure are dedicated. It's got a tread that just grips the road and won't let go. It's a reservation slip for Blondebeard's chicken. He's wearing a little shirt that says, "I whooped it up at Big Whoop." I hate to think what would happen if these fell into the wrong hands. It's volume C and it's mostly digested. I can only make out page 243. A compass is a magnetized bit of metal floating in a solution. What a completely random piece of trivia. The Plunder Island Yellow Pages. It's a complete array of vacuum cleaner attachments. It's a priceless, delicate Fabergé egg. It's an ipecac flower. It makes syrup of ipecac. That seems logical. Whew! That sure was a close one. I thought for sure when I got eaten by that snake that I was done for. Thank goodness I'm safe. No? Hey! Hang on, the quicksand is sucking all the cool stuff I found in that snake from my pants. Now there's an odd sensation. Quicksand pit. Quicksand pits of this type are common throughout Plunder Island's nature trails. Many an unwary traveler has found himself trapped and unable to escape. Uh-oh, anyone, please help me, I'm sinking? Papapishu bush. Discovered by Plunder Island's indigenous peoples, this bush is named after a native word meaning youch. Of all the places for a quicksand pit. Salvation vine, Arborealis deus ex machinas. This species of vine is noteworthy for both its strength and its ability to grow anywhere except where it's most needed. Ah, Papapishu. Well, I got the thorn. I hope that was worth it. It looks dangerous. It's a bunch of conveniently placed hollow reeds. Neat, a world-class pea shooter. Shooting the vine won't do any good. Even if I could hit the branch with that, it wouldn't do any good. It's a branch resting precariously on that tree root. My aim is always off when I'm under stress. I might miss. If only I had some way of dropping the weight on the branch from directly above. Perfect. For once today, things are going... Well, darn. Hey. Thank goodness for those unpredictable Caribbean trade winds. It's the bay. It's the bay. Those must be the pirates who've taken Elaine. It's a nice boat, except for that enormous gaping hole in the bottom. It's got a huge hole in the bottom. I'd sink. I can't paste that. No. It's wet. The glove won't work with that.
Do you have a reservation?
Of course I have a reservation.
Then let's see your reservation slip. Very good. You may seat yourself, pardon me, Mrs. Breinstoop.
It's a round biscuit cutter. It's a pie pan. Traditional grog, brewed the old-fashioned way, the unsanitary way. This is the greasiest, crustiest, most revolting chicken I've ever seen.
Ah, yes. He got our black and Cajun-style chicken.
I don't even like looking at it, much less touching it. I wish that was a real ship that I could use to sail to Blood Island. I wish that was a real ship that I could use to sail to Blood Island. The Devil Chicken. He's awfully reserved for a pirate. Hey, mister. Mister, you listening? Ah! It's one of LeChuck's skeletal horde.
Aye. I fixed his little red dinghy, but good.
The undead that walk among us must surely be destroyed, lest their evil like overrun and befoul the world of the living.
Aye. And he complained about me chicken.
Oh. This whole sordid scene has litigation written all over it. Excuse me, sir? Now that's just rude. It says, ask me about Grim Fandango. I don't want people always asking me about Grim Fandango. It's a very sharp knife. No, this chicken is too hard to be damaged by mere metal. That looks delicious. I want to keep this biscuit. I may get hungry later. Whoa! This biscuit is full of maggots!
Aye! That's me special ingredient. Adds just the right amount of exotic flavor. It's a good thing, too, because I can't keep 'em out of the food around here.
It's the Maitre D' podium. It looks too heavy to carry around. Excuse me, but...
What a lucky pirate are ye!
Me?
You've struck gold, boy!
I have?
Gold, gold, gold! Ha ha! Golden nuggets of chicken!
Oh.
A treasure trove of deep-fried fun! Now, what can kindly old Captain Blondebeard bring ye for lunch?
Cheese toast. Got any?
I'm afraid we're out of that fine and economical dish. Actually, I'm out of just about everything. Not a drumstick left. All I have left are those biscuits and a few tubs of our special Ipecac slaw.
How's the Ipecac slaw?
Not bad. But 15 minutes later, you'd be hungry again.
Nice gold tooth you have there.
Aye! It glistens like the golden topping of grease on me luscious batter-fried chicken.